Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain 5th standard social revision paper 2. Understood? So already you know that from December last week, that means in 28, 29, 30, we conducted the second round test or FA2. So on this purpose, I prepared 2 papers. Already I explained revision paper 1. Today I explain revision paper 2. Children, you learn these 2 papers, then it is easy to write the test. Understood? Today I explain all the mains with answer. So all of you observe about this. First main, write missing letters. There are 5 missing letters are given. You learn with spelling. Understood? Savanna, Savanna. What is the spelling of Savanna? Savanna, Savanna. Second one, equator, 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 equator. Third one, pygmies, Pygmies, pygmies. Fourth one, iceberg, Icebergs, iceberg. Fifth one, Eskimo, Eskimos, Eskimo. Understood? Once again I read all the words. Savanna, equator, pygmies, iceberg, Eskimos. Next main, write yes or no. Some sentences are given, some sentences are correct or some sentences are wrong. You write the which sentence are correct, you write yes. The sentence are wrong, we write no. Understood? I read the sentence and also I say the which sentence are yes or no. Eskimos live in hut. No, that is a wrong statement. So you write no. Icebergs float on water. Yes, icebergs float on water. Most people in DRC live in cities. No, that is a wrong statement. Fourth one, deserts are dry lands. Yes, deserts are dry lands. The statement is correct. You write yes. Saudi Arabia has extremely cold climate. That is also wrong statement. You write no. Understood? Once again I read all this. Eskimos live in hut. Statement is wrong. No. Icebergs float on water. The statement is correct. You write yes. Most people in DRC live in cities. The statement is wrong. So you write no. Deserts are dry land. The statement is correct. You write yes. Saudi Arabia has extremely cold climate. The statement is wrong. You write no. Understood? Next main. Fill in the blanks. The camel, the dash is most important animal in the desert. Which animal is very important in the desert? Camel. What is the spelling of camel? Camel. What is the spelling? Camel. Second one. The Saudi Arabia is the largest producer of exporter of petroleum. You underline the petroleum. Understood, children? Saudi Arabia is the largest exporter of dash. Dash means petroleum. Petroleum. You put the dash on petroleum. Understood? Saudi Arabia is the largest producer of exporter of petroleum. Third one. Greenland is in the Arctic Circle. Arctic, Arctic. Greenland is in the Arctic Circle. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. 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 DRC has hot and wet climate. DRC has dash and dash climate, hot and wet. HOT hot and wet, WET wet. Understood? Once again I repeat all this. The camel is the most important animal in the desert. Saudi Arabia is the largest producer of and exporter of petroleum. Greenland is in the Arctic Circle. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. DRC has a hot and wet climate. Understood? Next main answer the following. So what kind of climate does Greenland have? What type of climate does Greenland has? Answer. Greenland has extreme cold climate. Greenland has extreme cold climate. Next question. What are icebergs? A large masses of ice floating in water are called icebergs. Large masses of ice floating in water are called icebergs. Next question. What was or is DRC known as before and now? What has is DRC known as before and now? DRC's old name was Zaire and it was changed to Democratic Republic Congo. Understood? DRC old name was Zaire. It was changed to Democratic Republic Congo. What are the main occupations of the people of Greenland? Hunting and fishing are the occupation of the people living in Greenland. Hunting and fishing are the occupations of the people living in Greenland. What is desalination? What is desalination? Desalination is the process removing salt from water so that water can be used for drinking or irrigation. Understood? So drinking or irrigation, that is the correct answer. Understood, children? I think all of you understand about this question. All the means. Once again I repeat. Follow all the means. Write missing letters. Savanna, equator, pygmies, icebergs, Eskimos. Second one, write yes or no. Eskimos live in hut. No. Icebergs float on water. Yes. Most people in DRC live in cities. No. Deserts or dry land. Yes. Saudi Arabia has extremely cold climate. No. Fill in the blanks. The camel is the most important animal in the desert. Saudi Arabia is the largest producer and exporter of petroleum. Greenland is in the Arctic Circle. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. DRC has a hot and wet climate. Next, answer the following. What kind of climate does Greenland have? Greenland has extreme cold climate. What are icebergs? Large masses of ice floating in water are called icebergs. What is DRC known as before and now? DRC old name was Zaire. It was changed to Democratic Republic Congo. What are the main occupation of the people of Greenland? The hunting and fishing are the occupation of the people living in Greenland. Next, last question. What is desalination? The desalination is the process of removing salt from water. So that was water can be used for drinking or irrigation. Understood? What is desalination? Desalination is the process of removing salt from water so that the water can be used for drinking or irrigation. Understood? So children, you learn all these means. You read this paper 2 or 3 times and then you practice in rough note 5 times. So then you are easy to write the test. There are 2 papers are given. No, already this you prepare or you learn all these 2 papers and practice in rough note. Understood? I will continue in next class. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.